The universe is vast, filled with mysteries. As humans, we explore these mysteries using our most powerful tool, thought. We string together thoughts like links in a chain to reach conclusions and solve problems. Now imagine giving this power to machines. This is the promise of chain of thought prompting in artificial intelligence. Chain of thought prompting is a fascinating new development in AI. It's about teaching AI to think more like us. Instead of just spitting out answers, we want AI to reason, to show its work. This is where chain of thought prompting comes in. It's like giving AI a set of instructions, a roadmap to follow, to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This technique is revolutionizing how we interact with AI. It's not just about getting the right answer anymore, it's about understanding the why behind it. This understanding is crucial as we entrust AI with more complex tasks in our lives. So, how does chain of thought prompting actually work? Imagine you're teaching a child to solve a word problem. You wouldn't just tell them the answer, would you? You'd guide them, step by step, through the reasoning process. Chain of thought prompting works similarly. First, we provide the AI with a problem and a set of reasoning steps. These steps act like clues, guiding the AI toward the solution. The AI then uses these clues to generate its own chain of thought, explaining its reasoning process at each step. Finally, the AI arrives at the answer. But this time, it's not just a random output. It's a result of a logical, human-like thought process. This approach makes AI more transparent and understandable. We can see the logic, the reasoning behind its decisions. This is a significant leap forward in building trust and reliability in AI systems. Section 4. Real-world applications, from text to thought. The applications of chain of thought prompting are vast and rapidly expanding. One of the most exciting areas is natural language processing. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that truly understands your questions and provides thoughtful, insightful responses. Chain of thought prompting is making this a reality, but it doesn't stop there. This technology is being applied in fields like healthcare, finance, and education. From diagnosing diseases to making investment recommendations, chain of thought prompting is empowering AI to tackle complex real-world problems with human-like reasoning. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will transform the way we live and work. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 5. Challenges and future prospects. Unlocking the potential. While chain of thought prompting holds immense promise, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is developing AI systems that can generate accurate and logical reasoning chains consistently. This requires massive data sets and sophisticated algorithms that can mimic human cognitive processes. Another challenge is ensuring that AI systems don't inherit our biases. Just like humans, AI can be influenced by the data it's trained on. It's crucial to develop robust methods to mitigate bias and ensure fairness and ethical considerations in AI decision-making. Despite these challenges, the future of chain of thought prompting is incredibly bright. As research progresses and technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI systems that can reason, learn, and adapt like never before. Section 6. Conclusion: the future of AI reasoning. Chain of thought prompting represents a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. It's not just about building smarter machines, it's about building machines that think. By enabling AI to reason and explain its thought process, we're unlocking a new era of collaboration and problem solving. The journey of chain of thought prompting has just begun. As we continue to explore its potential, we're embarking on an exciting adventure that will redefine our relationship with technology and shape the future of AI. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI and technology.